So mina ngi-understand makulokuthiwa kunobuclever lapha Chris ukuthi uclever kulaphana ibuphi mfethu bese uzophuma ngaphandle uzozenza into ethafu uthafu kuphi because leya ndawo ilimaza umqondo bra awumuva wenza ifocus lapha so ezinye izinto mfethu kulezi zinto nje idolize crime mina ngeke ngilo ngikhuluma kakhulu okuningi kulama social platforms sengikhulumile Chris umuntu maye ngafuni ukuzwa uzoyifacify.
Is it true that when you have this thing what they call inombolo you would be protected and kuzwa ngawe when ukabati I don't know what is it kind of bandlo omkhulu
yabo kulezi zinto ezincane ezikhula eadolize crime bafethu nana nokuthi intwana ezincane nje mfethu wonke umuntu okuyo yonke age because sengabona mina mfethu kuba mdala kuyinye age Chris age is just a number dog yamthola umuntu ona 40 but ucabanga njengengane na 15 yayibona le nto uthola intwana na 18 ecabangisa umuntu ona 45 yabona le nto so wonke nje umuntu kuyo yonke age ebra dlalela kude lento ezokufaka ejele idlalela kude lento ezokufaka ejele ungangilalela manje but mase zikukhalelwe uyongikhumbula Chris yazibonga kanani emzimbeni ngikutshela straight bengakuhlaba ejele
kodwa uNkulunkulu hey kodwa
qondile engaka umkhulu phela kunami emzimbeni but bengakunombola ngiyakutshela.
Welcome to the Dobe Show. Of course, I go by the name Christmas. You already know I'm doing the best show, even James knows. Otherwise, on sound and camera, this thing is usual. I got my man James, and on my right, I got my man Ganda. James is not in today, so yeah. Only have Ganda is on camera and sound. Hey, Ganda.
Okay.
You good, man?
I'm great. Umshiso.
It's hot today, no?
It's very hot.
Yeah, man. If you're new to the channel, where have you been? Please subscribe, press notification bell as well as join the membership. Yeah. As you see the shoes on the table. So yeah, we are giving children shoes, school shoes. If they have the brand new shoes, they will have the brand new day and they will start the day with the right energy. So you remember, your child is my child. So yeah. Let's help these kids to go back to school with brand new shoes. And also let's help these families that sleep without food. And White, is sleeping with Ultramel. Ganda eat like Ultramels and Danones and everything. I'm like, hey dog, you're blessed. People are sleeping without food, bro. Without food.
Angidla Ultramel.
Mama ngifica la udla yogurt ngespoon esingakanani.
Mina yogurt.
Ayo. So yeah, man, let's help other people to get something like basic milli fish oil, something that is basic, so they will put the pot in the stove. So yeah, thank you so much to those who already started to do that. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. Please like the episode, share it as well as don't skip the advert. It helps a lot to the channel. So thank you. Today I'm with my brother. We're saying we know it's December and you have kids around you, and you might say, hey, when you talk with your friend and you might say, hey, let's do crime so we get money and we go and we drink. I want to tell you that's not a good idea. My brother will tell you where you will go if you do that. If you're going to listen to your friend and not listen to your parent, I have a good man or a right man to tell you that what is going to happen to you. But it's going to just start backward to tell us who he is, like things that he did, and is here to say no to crime, not any other things else, but it's here to say, Chris, let's send a warning and let me expose how this thing works, you see. So that's the aim of that episode. So it's very interesting one. You can take your kid and say, hey, sit down, listen to this man, and know what is going on to jail, because your friends will tell you the cool things and say, hey, there you say Tatinombolo and ube indoda, ube right. No. I have another side of the story. My brother, welcome to the show and thank you so much for coming, man. Highly appreciate it, driving all the way and coming to the studio.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu Chris Face. Salute. Ngiyabonga nokungibe.
Yeah. No, please introduce yourself to Ubani, then give us your background. And you also told me that you were a soldier before.
Yeah.
Amazing, man. So you come at home like once a year?
No. Into yobusotsha inobumitha obuningi phakathi, so sizo unpack as we go.
Introduce yourself, man. We're gonna go to the good stuff.
Alright. Bafethu sanibonani, igama lami nginguSipho Esihle wakwaNkomondi Sibongo, ekhaya esezakheni
You
eMnambithi.
can relax, my brother. I'll just push it a little bit. Yeah, it's fine. I can just sit here.
Sure.
Yeah.
Should I say it again?
Yeah. Now you can just continue.
Okay.
Yeah, it will be key.
Angibingelele emakhaya, ngibingelele kini nonke abalandeli. Igama lami nginguSipho Esihle wakwaNkomondi. NgingowaseMnambithi ezakheni. La enkundleni zokuxhumana abaningi bangaze ngomsebenzi engisebenzayo, kumsebenzi wasejele ukugada abantu abagwetshiwe ejele. Kuningi sizokukhuluma concerning that, and abafowethu bethi bafuna ukwazi nanokuthi le ndoda ejele iqalephi nempilo njengoba isiujele. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngisazokuchaza nawo konke lokho as we go ne-episode.
Okay. From Mnambithi uyafunda. Esikoleni vele bufuna ukuba ujele.
No.
I take us through.
Chris, mina ngikhulele elokishini eliScom Plaza.
Khona Mnambithi.
Yeah, like ilokishi lakhona ilokishi kodwa ama-outskirts akhona isemakhaya. Most abantu basemakhaya mabeqala behlanganele empilweni bamuvela kuphi?
To that location.
Elokishini lami, yabona lento le. So imithetho, amasiko, zonke lezi zinto izinto engizaziyo lezo, yabona lento le. Isintu ngiyasazi as well as nesilokishi ngiyasazi futhi, yabona lento le. Ngikhulele kwi-environment ebikujagila ukubili. Even worse, ngiphuma kwikhaya politically driven, yabo. Umzali bekumuntu bekuma politics too much. So ukwazi ngama politics and stuff, nokwazi nje ngezinto ezenzakala emhlabeni, into efike at an early age kuthina le, yabo le nto le. So mawuzo ngibuza ukuthi growing up eMnambithi mangisafunda ngihalela ukuba ujele, cha. Kwakungasipho phela ukuba ujele, but ngicabanga ukuthi ke umdali uyayidala indlela thina siyilandela. Yabo. Yeah. Iphupho lami engathi kwakuyiphupho lami na mfethu, mhlawumbe ngiyibona ngi-advocate or i-role model yami in my younger years kwaku Mr. Pius Langa.
Oh,
I don't know if you are.
yeah.
I-role model yami kwaku Pius Langa, yabo. And omunye umuntu uzoyibuza ukuthi ngoba le out engekho handsome
No,
engekho.
like I'm trying to what attracted to you to his career and
I
him.
think Mr. Pius Langa, I could be wrong, but I think Mr. Pius Langa is the first black judge president of the country, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
He's
right.
the
I think you're right.
the first.
I
think he's the first black person ukuthi abomongameli wamajudge be-country, and leyo nto yenzeka ngama early 2000s, yabo leyo nto leyo. So mangikhula makwenzeka lezo zinto Pius Langa bethola lawo ma position lawo, ngangiba impressed. Mina mfethu ngiyintwana eweird, Chris, like ngikhule ngile ntwana ebibuka lama show oxolana sikhulume, let's talk.
Wow. Hey, used to.
Beng interested into ebhora ontanga bami.
Yeah, because nama ngiyifuna kuyibona. La Grootman nami bengafundi. Uqala ndoda ebengafundi yababa
Umakha ngayo ukuthi sigele sesiyabuyela the next day, yabo lento. Umakha ngayo on Sunday, yabo. Kukhozi FM bengiyilengane lalela abasiki bebunda.
Aba siki bebu.
Yeah, like ontanga bami Chris bengibabhora man. Bengasile awuthi eklika kakhulu nabantu abama-peers ayo, yabo. Abantu engiklika kakhulu nabo bathe ukuba badala kunami, because izinto ebengiyigraspa ngiyikhuluma izinto zabantu bebekhulile kunami, yabo leyo nto le. Hence namanje most yabantu engathi ama-tight buddies ami abantu abathe ukukhula kunami nge-age. So kwangasiyo ukuba ujele iphupho kwakuba mhlambe kwi-judicial panel one day ngiyibone ngikusikhundla sikaPius Langa, of which kusengenzeka iphupha lefu umnikazi saphila mfethu.
That's true, man.
Yeah.
Take us to the gym, man. Now you're on social media, you're trending on TikTok. Like there's a lot, bro, that we can unpack. Start from the beginning.
First and foremost, Chris, kwakungasinhloso yami ukuthi ngiyithole ngiba i-content creator. Yeah, I understand. Even if ngiba i-content creator, ngangizoba i-content creator nje leziwa yilabo bantu abambalwa yabo. Indaba yami yokukhanda i-content iqale ku-Facebook bra yabo. Ku-Facebook bengingathanda ukuposta kuma-reels ama-video yami yabo. Because I always knew ukuthi imbono yami isharp and iyahlaba enhlizweni yomuntu ongali yabo. So bengingafuni ukuthi ngiyiposte ku-page lami la Facebook because bengazi ukuthi izongixabanisa nabantu. And most yabantu enginabo ku-Facebook abantu engibazi on a personal basis yabo leyo. Nginama relationships nabo. So some of the things abengizoyikhuluma kuleso space bezizo cause i-friction unnecessary. Bengiposta ku-pick ma stories lama video nawabona manje bengiwaposta kuma stories ahlala for 24 hours bese yaphela ngithi. So labantu mabelo bewabuka balo bengifakela i-pressure ukuthi hayi man mfethu vula i-TikTok yabo. And at the back of my mind benginqena ukuvula i-TikTok because I always knew bro I'm outspoken bro yabo. And before ngikhuluma ngento engiknowledgeable ngayo nengiyazi angiveli ngikhulume nje yabo. So I always knew ukuthi mangiqala ngikhuluma kuzoba inkinga. So this year I decided ukuyivula leyo TikTok. The rest is history bro. Njengoba manje sengina ne-YouTube page nakhona ngiphoqa abantu engibathola ku-TikTok ukuthi angivule i-YouTube page senginayo ikwankomondi igama layo. Ikhona episode yokuqala siyiposte boma last week and yenza kahle. Ngicela abafethu beyifollow besubscribe leyo page leyo yeah. So mase ngiyithola ngiba popular ndoda.
Can you take me through back to your first video? What you were talking about?
Ku TikTok. I-video yami yokuqala if ngingakhuluma iphutha about umjito wabulala intombi yakhe KZN wakuthiwa uSibusiso. Angazi noma uyakhumbula. Yeah, last year December I think. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, and I was bulala after that. I understand. Yeah. My very first video ku TikTok ngangikhipha umbono wami concerning leyo ndaba leyo yabo leyo. And I think leyo video yathola about almost 700,000 views. First video yabo. Then ngabona ukuthi shoot ikhonto ekhona la yabo. Then I kept on ngiposta. Bengilong trend vele before ngizoposta ngento zasejele. But I think yasejele kube subject ene interest kubantu abaningi. Kwayiyona trenda kakhulu ukudlula wonke lamanye ama video ka trenda before.
You started as a soldier, right?
Yeah.
Can you brief us what happened to a soldier and why you left?
Okay, ngene emasojeni ngina 18 years, ngasebenza la for about 10 years, 8 months, almost 11 years, ne. Mangene emasojeni ngangena ezi MSDS, bayazi abantu abase army leyo nto ukuthi yini. Ngangena ezi MSD, ngaserve 2 years of MSD under e mastering ye logistics. After lapho leyo 2 years ngaphenduka i reserve. Mawu reserve army into efana nokuthi usebenza ku private company mawuhola umholo wakho njengobunjalo awutaxwa awenziwa lutho. I understand awuna retirement fund yabo le nto le and imali oyihola bra yabo futhi army yasimosha ndoda bengihola imali engingayiholi today ngina 19. Army yasimosha bra bengihola imali engingayiholi
too much.
If uyi reserve eli active nelingahlali kaningi ekhaya phela mawu reserve army usipana ngama collab yabo i-collab into ukuthi siyakubiza uzosebenzela mhlambe for about 6 months hambe uhlale ekhaya futhi yabo leyo. But ke leyo nto igama nje likhona in real life mfethu emasocial kunama reserve angakaze phelelwa ama contract. Yeah, understand. For 10-15 years straight umuntu loke edouble imali straight iza kuye njengoba injalo.
How much is this money?
I just best deploy. Ukudeploy kuyaboostani ukudeploy like makuthiwa bayogadisa imncele noma mhlambe bayokhipha ngaphandle kwamanye amazwe yabo lezo zinto lezo. And leyo nto iza nemali yayo. Uma udeploy mhlambe la ku southern region udeploy andisadek banama figures per rank ukuthi laba sibakhokhela kanje. Mawuthi like udeploy mhlambe eAfrica phakathi impela eAfrica kune United Nations isikhathi esiningi uma deploy Africa deploy under United Nations nalapho futhi kunama figures akhona angafani nalaba kwiSADC yabona into leyo so iza ngamadola
Wow.
even nakhona kwiSADC iza ngamadola.
I have a question. I once ngihlala nomjide nje ngikwi-vacation.
Awunalo ithawula Chris Van.
Kuyashisa kuyaza asinika i-t-shirt.
This guy told me ukuthi abantu bayithatha for granted i-NDF. Yabo?
Yeah.
So he was telling me ukuthi kunabantu vele ebusojeni ukuthi umuntu wonke sinokuyibona mu movie uthi uyangena kwakho umthule sekahleli. Yabo umuntu ngawathi ungene kanje akaqhekezanga.
Yeah.
Like vele bakhona people who are highly trained like that vele uthi vele umthole yakho lapha umthopa ngazi babiza
othi ngicacisele abantu ufuna ukungitshela ngaba ama special forces ama operator la ukhuluma ngawo bakhona futhi nabanye asibabiza ngokuthi ba ama VIP protectors yabo le nto le ama socha fethu ahlukene kaningi Chris umphakathi kusamele ufundiseke kusamele nifundiseke Chris.
True bro.
Akuwona wonke amasoja
aphathi ibhamu
akuwona wonke amasoja aphathi ibhamu but ungizwe kahle kulabo bangene through i-military training basic training ngisho ngaba unurse ngisho ngaba uthisha ngaphakathi ngisho ngaba ngiyabonga ngisho ngaba uchef ngaphakathi loyo muntu ungambhayizeli ngoba i-combat uyayazi isibhamu usazi nje
noma engapheka
exactly noma engaba uchef apheke lapha kodwa ungambhayizeli ngoba isibhamu usazi njengalo lonke isosha it's just that yena wakhetha uspecialize ngehospitality ngaphakathi enye into kumele icace abantu engifisa ukuthi wathi ngisule yaqqa into engifisa ukuthi abantu bafundiseke ngayo Chris i-military bafethu akusiyilento eniyibona kuba movie i-fiction lento eniyibona kuba movie ngispende almost 11 years mina ngigqoka i-camouflage out ayikho lento eniyibona ko 18 ama movie layo nabukayo i-army i-university le Chris mina ngiyimje ngithi ngikutshele ngami izinto engaphuma nazo e-army tshelile ngathi ku-MSD yami kokuqala ngangiphusha i-logistics ne I'm a qualified logistician ngokwa army you understand phinde kube i-hospitality lokungitshela ngayo ngisebenzile kuyona ngajiye ngenza ama courses akhona again ngiyi-reserve you understand and army kube i-artisan ngikwazi ukufaka ama-tiles ngikwazi ukufaka uthayela njalo ngixulo uceiling ngikwazi ukuplumber through i-army you understand ngiyakwazi ukusebenzisa i-artillery ama-weapons ngimnandi kwi-combat through i-army yayizwa lonto so lezi zinto ngiyifunde ngaphakathi ebusosheni i-army i-university leyana fethu khona yonke into ongayicabanga i-profession wakwezwa ngayo noma wakwayibona ikhona ngaphakathi
why you left it man seems like
iqiniso sekuthenini mfethu it was never isifiso sami ukuthi ngishiye i-army yabo but yabo ezinye izinto mazingenzeki brawami endaweni there are certain things ubona ukuthi I'm trying ukuthi lento yenzeke ingenzeki and apushiye yabo bengi reserve army you understand elisebenza consistent you understand lento mhlambe ngihlala leso sikhashana but most of the time ngiyasebenza ngiyaena yabo lento ubreserve bra bumnandi mawuseyintwana encane yabo ujabulela isalary leqhamukayo because yona iningi ayifani nomuntu oqashwe on a permanent basis yabo lento but most ufike ku-age ethile usu understand ama responsibilities nama challenges onawo empilweni you understand angeke kuloku ujabuliswa ile amali knowing very well ukuthi mangathiwa ngiyashona ingane zami akunafoko lezizoyithola maziyohlema lapha yabo lento enye into sifuna lento ekuthiwa yini job security yabo lento le ukuthi okay makungathiwa mhlambe something happens abantwana bami bengakwazi ukunokha somewhere bathole something rather than ukuthi because enye into vele noma ungahola malini imali ayibekeki Chris ngakhohliswa abantu imali ayibekeki indoda
true
I understand so enye into engayibuka kwindaba ye job security ukuthi it was all about job security to be honest ngase ngikhathele ukuphila impilo le yama contract
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
not
yeah,
nice.
The time you're signing.
It's not nice, bro. It's not nice.
So tell me now, you're moving to be in jail,
Prison warder.
prison warder. Man, can you just tell us what is going on there? I think my interest is there the most. Is it any spirit that is operating inside? How is the setup, man, there? And is any high people who are involved to corrupt the prison?
Very, that's for sure. Ah, that's for sure, bro.
Because inside
for sure.
inside the prison you find like kunamafoni. But kunamafoni abantu bakwazene ini ukudla okay ukudla vele kuyangena, right? Yeah.
Ukudla like okuphekiwe
No, like mangihambisela umuntu wakithi ukudla.
uthenga khona ejele. Ngizwa unless kunamajele enza izinto otherwise.
Yes, thenga khona, but amanye are we not allowed to bring KFC?
Nope. Uma ukuthi wakwabona leyo nto yenziwe ejele wazi ukuthi kwakuyi corruption
Yenzeke sensithi. Asikazi ukuthi
sengiceba ama colleagues ami ke manje seniyabashisa manje.
yazi
Ayenzi.
bayenzani sensithi. Mawuletha ukudla, mhlawumbe ushukela ama noodles, what bafuna ukuthi uthathe wona ama plastic la bafaka kuwo amazambane transparent. Nempuphu uyayithulela lapho. Bafuna uyithululele ibe transparent.
Leyo mpuphu bathi izobe iphekwapi?
Angazi nami. Yabona baletha yabona babuzela ama bag lawo.
A good question.
Babuzela ama bag lawo amakhulu lawo.
Okwenza ekhaya.
Makhonza ekhaya.
Right,
Umuntu akugene ngayo baba. Umthole yabona masingayi sensitive manje or ngelanga levizi. Uzothola abahleli ngaphandle kwegate. Umuntu uphethe ikhonza ekhaya baba. Uthulele uthenge ama plastic la. Uthulele igroza kula ma plastic a transparent. Page igroza e5 star baba. Yongena ngayo. Yo.
So these things are not allowed.
Nakhuma into engingayibona ke. Straight.
Nina nifaka ama colleagues amanda de basa.
No, mina itothi into yakho.
No. Angazi mhlawumbe bayakwenza or abakwenzi but mina ngizokhuluma ngokwaziwa yimina bro wami yabo. Chris, yabona lento le ngizoyiphendula kabili ne. Ngifuna ukucacisela lento ukuthi why ngizoyiphendula kanje. Yabo eSpanini. Ngirana ioffice le SREC, Sports and Recreation ne. Besenta yami. Ngiphinde ngirane office la mashop. La iboshwe ethenga khona ngaphakathi ne. Reason why ngithi lento engitshelwa lo mfowethu impica badala kimi. Yonke into kuleli jele engisebenza kulona ingena ngokomthetho iphinde iphume ngokomthetho through mina. You understand? Angiyazi lento ayikhulumayo. Okokuqala ngizwe lento empilweni yami.
According to you, there's no
I
cell
understand.
phone. There's no cell phone.
I'm not saying I work on my cell phone. Each and everywhere like Spanwa khona Chris kunabantu abagrand kunabantu abangekho grand. I understand. And nalabo abangekho grand asikwazi ukuthi sithi sizenza ngcono kunabo. Asiwazi ama reasons abapusheleda. I understand leyo nto le. Bakhona abantu abayifaka lezi zinto whether we like it or we don't. Yabo leyo nto le. But ukuthi kunama grocer from outside angena for mina ngiqala uyiva bra. Yabo. Ngoba ngizwa ngithi niphosa ama colleagues amanda le bus manisho njalo because mina ngiyazi into njalo and luckily ngisebenzele nakuleyo Sun City but ayikusha mfana angiyazi na so bengisakutshela as umuntu orana lawo ama office omabili ejele angiyazi leyo nto mina qala ukizwa
nami ngithi normal like
yabona
ama nucleus uyawakhipha
yabona into engiyaziyo i-toiletry ne iyalethwa yabo omadoni insipho into zokugeza yabo lento and nazo siyazivula thoroughly sicheck isisu ukuthi akunafakoli phakathi yabo kodwa ama management awafani yabo no strict mhlamba abafani yabo but la ngisibhalela khona mina yonke lento angiyazi.
So you
Vele resikweshini bazoziphekela ku.
Mina uvela wangena ukuthi vele ngempela masihambisa impuphu zithi bayipheke ku.
Exactly. Ayingiphi ingqondo lento ziphekwapi? Cause ejele bro wami iyodwa indawo yokupheka banekhishi ngale abanamabhodo labantu kumaseli manifaka impuphu nani angali ukuthi bawosomaqhinga ne. One thing I can tell you ngama offenders bra phela kuboshiwe abantu abebebamba inkonzo mabebedlwengula kuphela lapha kunabantu mfethu abahlakaniphile abanye kunawo professor kunayo yonke uhlobo lomuntu ofundile ongalicabanga lapha Chris ayikho into ongayifaka ngaphakathi ejele ikufele uthi ayilungiswe okwamoto kwasani bengakulungisela kwasani laba bantu bagood ndoda yayizwa leyo nto le so angikwali ukuthi mhlambe somehow bengakuforce ukuzakhela into ozokupheka yabo but ukuthi bekufostile ukuthi bebe nalezo zinto zokupheka bese besikhombisa live nje kuphela kufakwa impuphu live sebeyayiceba phela ukuthi shoot banamabhodo ngaphakathi lokuzini I understand angazi noma yenza sense kuwe la
Yeah man yenza sense.
yeah so my gross aphuma from outside bro or my KFC
Hayi sanjive. Sasol. Incousin yami iboshiwe Sasol. Yes bebasho ukuthi groza vele try groza bayithengisa shop. There's a KFC nearby la baba siphuma uthenga KFC ushanga KFC.
wena la majito ajwayele ase Sun City amajito aganga eSpanini
No,
and enza lokuganga kwabo kubukeka ngazathi into enormal kanti mase bebanjwa futhi sebe dismisswa abantu abanjalo kuba yisono Chris.
No, mina kunamuntu engimjwayele bengiyibona yenzeke bengenza maintenance eSun City.
Kushothi ukhona umaziyo ko yena.
Oh, bengithi egate mina ngithi mawungabe egate.
Nami ngazithuma ngiyovashela ukuthi angaze ngimi na but ngazithuma ngiyovashela umuntu yasho ngiphathela amano ukugcisa ngiphathele.
Ayadayiswa nje. Wazi uzowaphatha ngaphandle. Phela ungakhohlwa futhi sibophe nabantu abakuma drug syndicate lapha abakwazi ukusila izinto ezifa zikazi zivuleke. So masizovumela ukuthi wena uqhamuke ngento from the outside ungaqhamuka necocaine egcwele ama-tin staff mos. So wathatha siwafaka ngaphakathi ngoba wena uze nawo. Ayikho leyo nto leyo. Should nama-tin staff lezinto ama-canned foods nawo ma ukuthi igrocery yangaphandle ivumelekile should nawo mayelethwa ayavulwa athelwe somewhere phela. Cause thina esikuvumela yiloko esik-order from eMacro or from goJumbo yabo lezo lawo ma-retail lawo. Lokho ngisuke ngazi kahle ukuthi mangikuthatha eBulk store ngiza na ke store sami into engenalutho ebheke eceleni le yabo. So leyo ukuthi uzoqhama lezinto from outside basazoyifakela amehlo lento.
Man, like people think in jail is nice. I used to see, like, I grew up here around in Dobsonville. They would say, "Engokubantintela," you know, those things. Can you give that person a picture of what is going on?
Okokuqala nje Chris angiqalela impendulo. Most yethu abantu abamnyama sikho privileged ngokuthi asikhulelanga kuma community or kumakhaya awell off yabo. Siphuma emakhaya ahlupekayo. So ngaloko kukodwa Chris mawuboshwa ekhaya kini isimo sempilo mhlambe singekho sihle esemali nesupport nje kuphuma mhlambe ku broken family istructure singekho kahle bese uyaboshwa umuntu ongekaza athola ibhesuku usejele noma uthola ibhesuku ephuwa engekho grand yabo. Bro wami wethu uyathanda noma uthanda uzoba isiqilo sabanye abafana ejele.
What you mean?
Uzoba isex slave yamajita. Uzoba ebro wathi ngixoxele enye into ne. Abantu engisibana nabo bayayazi lento. Kunabafethu abafaka ama-rouge abagqoka igate abafazi straight ejele. You understand? Kunabafethu abadayisa ngomzimba ejele abama prostitutes for survival. You understand? Kunabafethu ejele abafethu benze noma yini just ukuthi bakwazi ukusurvive. Okungabi ejele reason why abafethu begcine be conform to lezi zinto Chris ingoba ejele kuyalanjwa number 1 iration mhlambe etholwa yi-center yabo njengala ngisebenza khona amajele awu4 ngaphakathi medium A B C maximum facility I understand wonke lamajele ane ration ayithola every month I understand yokufeeda lama offenders lawo yabo and leyo ration esikhathini esiningi inokungabi enough cause abantu ejele baningi not amajele agcwele Chris yabo so makungekho ukudla kahle lapha estore sasejele lokho kumele badle kukona bonke ingakho ke la ngena khona mina ngama-shop amasejele ya understand ngibadayisela uma bezovisitwa ngiphinde ngibadayisele kule mali esencwadini bathi monthly shop leyo ya understand angithi manje bavashela lapha kwesinye isikhathi ni officeini niyobhalisa imali ukuthi sishiyele umuntu kanje especially nkomuntu uboshiwe la ngaphakathi nayi imali yakhe engasicela ni register yabo leyo nto akeke azayithole ngeke ngize ngiyinikezwe esandleni leyo mali ngizofika eshop ngithathe lento engiyibonayo enela leyo mali sayine good I understand so mawungenayo inhlanhla ukuthi wena unabantu banokubhesuka bakushiyela imali unabantu mhlawumbe ukuthi ekhaya yini nokufonela mhlawumbe ucela imali bakubhekele awu brama useless to amanye ama offenders ejele uzoba isiqhela sawa whether you like it or not whether uyithathile noma uyithathanga inombolo kuyafana and enye into engifuna ukuyicacisa Chris yabona some of intwana whether izaba amachero ama out asakhula nje amanye thola ukuthi umuntu ukhulele kwi background whereby abazali baya glorify crime I understand mawuboshiwe ubonakala ngathi kune badge of honor of some sort I understand kunina la benjalo niphuma kulawo ma environments ngifuna ukunitshela lento labo bra benu baba benu malume benu whoever benu labeni babiza ngekhokho nithi iqhwaga kwasho kwacima kanjani bayiqhwaga lapho ngakini Chris baze bangena ngale jele iyashintsha yonke leyo nto kuneqhwaga zakhona ngale and ngihlezi ngisho lento Chris uzowuthobela umthetho wazo uthanda ungathandi yabo le nto le so mase befike ngale mawuzombhesuka ngeke akutshela ukuthi uwashela abanye abafana la ngaphakathi ulalwa abanye abafana la ngaphakathi udayisa umzimba la ngaphakathi angeke azakutshela le nto mayiqhamuka kuwe lapha kwibhesuka uyoqhamuke ulovo ungazazi nje phela yonke into ihlangene I understand ukhavani uqoka imask ufihlo kwenzakala behind the scenes I understand so wena mawuzothi ubukela umuntu onjalo ngoba evunyiwe ikasi lakho ukuthi ewayeshaya isibhamu ewayenzani njengoba eboshiwe lapha ngaphakathi akakutshela iqiniso wena uzofollow indlela yakhe nawe yabo ngoba utshela ukuthi hayi bakhona ubani lapha mina ngizoba ngisho kuthiwa ubaba wakho okuzalayo makuthiwa uyaboshwa mhlawumbe niya kwi center yodwa naye usengamfica ubaba wakhe umfazi wabanye abafana lapha ejele and uma umfica umfazi wabanye abafana lapha ejele ubaba wakho wena uzoba yini ayikho lento ukuthi mina ngasekhaya mfethu kunamajita mfethu ngawafica lapha ejele amajita angasidladleni angiprotect ayikho leyo nto ukubana ngisebenza ejele bengingasikholwa leso statement but manje ngoba ngisebenza ejele ngiyakutshela straight Chris ayikho leyo nto amanga
so, most of these guys who come outside jail it's possible that bebengumakoti
not bonke but most angiyezwa ngithini not bonke but most why ngathi bonke reason why ngathi bonke kunabafethu abaphuma kuma background awelofa ababoshiwe I understand imali yakuprotect usejele eyizwa leyo nto le kunabafethu bona themselves not emakubo bona self banemali so umuntu onjalo ejele kancane ungamthola econform to into ezinjalo
so laba abade bese umuntu athi bengenabhesu kodwa ngaze ngidlale nomuntu nga-avoida ukuthatha izinto zabantu because omunye usho nje athi ungadli izinto ongazazi ejele
qamba manga Chris othi ngikubuze nje yabo othi ngikubuze nje a simple question ake ngithi exchange yami mhlambe sonke nje ngithi asijikeni mhlambe for example asijikene eKims Bay for a weekend yabo eCape Town spokile kumnandi and everything ne unemali zakho nginemali zami unemali zakhe ne manje ngoba siblomile ngaleso sikhathi heavy fund lapha kuningi okwakho kungekona kwami ngizokusebenzisa naye ngokunjalo sonke ya understand nginamanga
That's true, man.
ngithi sindawonye siphila sonke uzothi hayi bendoda manje awuthi ukuthi mhlawumbe for instance awusokhiya bemoto yakho ngisafuna ukujika la kaMzoli eGugulethu uyayibona leyo nto angeke ukuthi hayi uyangazi ngiya driver vele ngeke ukuthi hayi ntwana naye uzothi hayi kusentwana vaya ubuye uyayibona leyo nto so if thina ngaphandle sikwazi ukuyiphila impilo like asikwazi ukuphila ungaceli komunye umuntu ngisho njalo ayekho umuntu nawe Chris angeke uzuthi awukazi ucele umuntu anything even namanje kunabantu sathi mayengekho lama camera uphila impilo yakho nje straight kunabantu okwazi ukuthi veze bengicela ukuthi nginamanga
True.
so uzophila kanjani ejele for iminyaka neminyaka wena ungakazi ucele lutho lamuntu ungaphili ngento zabantu how is it possible how is it possible ezinye izinto zamanga ndoda sibadala ndoda ezinye izinto zamanga ndoda akekho umuntu ongaphila for years and years yena engaceli lutho kumuntu ayikho leyo nto it's a lie bro so mina ngiyalo ukuyivuma leyo noma athi unabangani bakho abafweni abazali bakho ababoshiwe usengaphenduka umfazi kanye nabo lapha ejele yiloko nje ngizokusho mina and ngaphandle yazi enye into ngejele I think abantu ba more concerned ngale ndaba yokumolesta yokurashwa ejele fine ngiyakubona kuyipart and parcel izinto ezenzakalayo but as the biggest problem ekhona Chris kuyo yonke le setup yabona mfethu isibazi mangathwa manje uyangikwaza la lesibazi singaba buhlungu kodwa over time so phola and ngiyokwazi ukuthi mangisibamba kanje thola ngisafeel ne pain at some stage isibazi siyingozi leso ngasibona yabo lesi sisengqondweni lesi sisemoyeni lesi sisenhlizweni leso sibazi siyingozi bhuti wami
Because you can't touch it.
You can't touch it, you can't tell whether sipholile noma sikapholi. More especially futhi if ungafuna ukudila naso head on kunzima ukuthi singaphola. So umuntu oyingozi kakhulu umuntu onalesibazi wena ongasiboni. Ingakho most yabantu abaphuma ejele majority abama beqeda ukuphuma ejele abalast bayafa. Ngiyakutshela bayafa most yabo mabephuma ejele. Abanye kulabo abalast abaphilayo. Uma engafunanga umuntu ukusika therapy nokuthi adile nempilo yakhe ngokweqiniso thothi uphila kwi-illusion lowo muntu ugcine ba toxic around abantu aphila nabo ngoba lokho egqoka imask knowing very well ukuthi walokhu uzowayithola i-forbidden fruit lapha Chris wazi kahle ukuthi wayithola i-forbidden fruit bese uzothi wena angikwenzanga lokho leyo nto leyo uphikisana nereality ngathi I understand le nto le mawuphila impilo yamanga isikhathi sokuphila impilo yamanga mfethu siyafika sidlule abafethu kumele be-understand lento majority ama-offenders abantu abalimele engqondweni ekudinga ukuthi bafacane nereality bethola ama-therapist ukuze babe ngcono abanye siyabalanda njengoba ku-December baphilisana kahle nemindeni yabo abakuma-paroles bahlukumeza bayenza yonke lento basebavalele njengoba ku-December nje so bra bengaphika begcine la bathanda khona and manje into engichazayo ngoJune inkathi ngikhandele ya video ya trend ngangibizwa ngamagama left and right bro namhlanje ezinye zeboshwe ezihamba wona lama podcast lawo aphusha lama narrative egebengu seziyaphuma ko TikTok ziyakhuluma manje khona umuntu nje bengimbona nje khuluma ngokuthi angifuni ukwanema lama podcast yabona into leya ekhuluma ngokuthi kulama podcast kahle kahle ba promote udoti yabo because mayelalela like ba promote ukubulala ukulimaza wara ingqondo imbuyela manje nayo ukuthi and then he was a part of abantu babekule ama podcast I understand but manje uyasho ukuthi le anti pushwa lo mjida iCochrane basho and akayedwa baningi yabo
so people like what I'm getting is that people who are from prison, they got these amazing stories, man. Because they're from the dark place and they survived, and they tell you things that you never even pitch it in your mind.
Ezinye futhi bezizinto abayikhulumayo la majida amanga ihaba. Phela sawabuka lama podcast ndoda. ezinye zezinto ngizokutshela straight and if bangiphikisa kuleyo nto ababize mina behlale nami kanje mina angilona ke leli order elizonesana nama feelings aba bangibize behlale nami phansi kanje Chris.
So ayikho into positive ocabanga ukuthi maybe kulama podcast abantu bangayifunda maybe to some. I get the point. Khona vele abantu abafika kube ngathi this one glorify i-crime. Lokudansa embi kashiya isibhamu what. But do you think ukuthi khona kuyenzeka vele ukuthi like khona positive abantu abangayifunda from?
Yeah, because at the end of the day, when you watch this podcast, maybe it's telling about his story, but at the end of the day, we all know you end up in jail and now you're back and life is not good.
Ebona Brian ukutshela Ivan. I think ngiyayibona into abafowethu ebebezama ukuyiletha kuthina izama messages mabeqala indaba zalama podcast ne. Bekuwukuthi balethi awareness yabo le nto le the initial plan angicathi kwakuyilelo ukuthi balethi awareness to the public ne but akuyona awareness brawam le yanto mawuzoyibheka kahle if ngizophinde ngi-idolize ukubulala kwamabantu ngi-idolize ama illnesses nama atrocities engawalethe empilweni zabantu. I understand shouldn't ngitshela lezi ingane ezingibukela ukuthi hayi ungayizenza lezi zinto uzoboshwa uphinde uphume ubuye uzokhuluma ngayo lento. I understand lento sithini ngama victims sithini ngalabantu abafelwe laba abadlwengulwa angikhulumi ngalamantombazana aqamba manga ethi adlwenguliwe engadlwengulwanga ngikhuluma ngama rape victims angempela sithini ngabantu ababulewe abantu abadlwenguliwe abantu abatshontshelwe like the list goes on. You understand abantu abayifile ngempela ipain elethwe yilabantu abavela kulama platforms bencoma ubugebengu babo njengoba kuphusha ama narrative ukuthi ejele kuyi holiday in kunama 3 meals a day amanga lezo zinto ejele kudliwa kathathu ngelanga.
What do you mean now?
Amanga leyo nto bra mina ngisafisa I've yet to see
when it seems like you
I've yet to see
different jail bro.
I've yet to see jele lidla kathathu mina.
Maybe is it
like ngifunga ngoma esethuneni.
Asindaba ukuthi maybe it's different management or something. Because mama might be against maintenance eSuncity ne bese operator ama boiler. I know ukuthi ube ngakazi ngasebenza neshift.
More operate boiler. I don't think ungaphakathi ejele or around
no kuma angithi operator ama boiler for steam siyakuphi for ukupheka. Sometimes when ukuthi mosheke ama steam pipe senze maintenance phakathi kwa kitchen.
Okay.
eSuncity particular yabo sama ama basement ikhona lapho sicheck ama steam pipe lawo ne. So isystem ebesipana bukusipana ama gents from
aqala ngama AM kusipana ama gents asekitchen
kuma ngale routine yethu khona agents bangena I think from ngabo 3 ntambama achayise ebusuku
ama offender
ti company abantu aba operate I need to operate ama boiler so that phande steam sekitchen mele kuphekwe bachayisa ngabo 11 or 12 usekudala it's around 20 bantu bachayisa around 11 or 12 ebusuku so that laba khona abantu abazopheka maybe midnight for uzongicorrect bro I think bokuvuka i-breakfast bedliwe kusela very maybe around 4 AM
hayi
nozinye izimze I don't know
hayi
bebathi because I know thina mina bengena ekseni ngo7 ngitshesa ngo12 emini siyayivala iboiler 12 emini 12:1 emini siyayivala iboiler besilungiselela abantu abazopheka from ekseni up until apparently sapha bebayidla ngo2 or 3 or 12 I don't know.
Let's see. Yeah.
Brian ngo4 lokhuluma ngawo wena othi kudliwa ngawo ekseni. Kusuke kuyi lights on, kusuke kukhanyiswa ijele ngo4. Angilazi ijele lidla ngo4 ekseni. Alikho futhi ngisho nje ngingasabi. Bra labantu laba basekitchen abayiboshwa. Umsebenzi wawo isikhathi esiningi bawenza ngama AM. Sibavulela ngama AM. You understand? kuba khona iphoyisa noma amaphoyisa asebenza ekitchen avulela labo bantu beyibona abapheka amamila ngalelo langa ya understand bra ejele kudliwa ekseni ya understand after siqeda ukubavulela kumaseli masiqeda ukuba counter and everything bavulelwa behambe beyodla breakfast yayizwa leyo nto emva kwe breakfast qhubeka ilanga labo abahamba beyo attend ama class bayawa attend aba kuma sporting coach abajimayo abanjani ya understand leyo nto le then around I will say kuhlukana ngamajele ke lapho yabo around past 12 or past 1 ya understand so bese khishwa idish yokugcina
nini
past 12 emini
yeba
or 1 manje I can tell you sebephakeliwe badlile ya understand badlile manje ngo3 uyavala itsilo yakudla ukudla kwakho noma uyakubeka uyokudla late ya understand lento le nihlale nisho ukuthi there's breakfast lunch and supper mina I've yet to see into enjalo ejele angiyazi and nokudla okudliwa lapha Chris akusiko ukudla mfethu ongathi ukudla la ekhasi akusinto ongazobe proud ukutshela omunye umuntu ukuthi hayi mina ngizokubhanta intela ngiyohlala futhi laba bajwayele ukusho njalo mina ngizokubhanta intela abantu kade bebabafazi ejele lapho uyazi ukuthi uzoyimela inqabhobho mayibuyela ngaphakathi uthi ngithini efethu abantu abafunda isifundo ejele abafuna nokuthi kwazeke ukuthi wakwaboshwa clean into ongakazi uyibona umuntu wakhona like umuntu oyiqondele oyiphushela into zakhe uhlanganisa ilife
yeah understand
yeah understand abantu abafunda isifundo ejele Chris ngeke ubezwe behambe bephamisana nenombolo la estradini befuna ukuvezela abantu
I think I can say you know bro
understand
the only prisoner that I can say wenza lento eyishoyo one ending zomusho uPrasol
and he shares the same sentiments now uthi uhlala khuluma ukuthi what about the victims what about
exactly
yeah
he's like that guy angazithiwa iboshwepi you know he's doing different
ngiyakutshela Chris yabona mama Ermo ngathi yamlandela lo Prasol ungathola ukuthi uyiphethe zonke inombolo just that afuna ukukhuluma ngazo I understand why outgrow leyo doti I understand le nto le bra most alabantu laba bafuna ukunibonisa la stradini ukuthi yena uyi26 27 28 yonke leyo nto most alabo bantu ade bekuyijejana zasejele most
because uPrasol ngo9 ufaka uthayi neshit ugqokile usekugezela ukuclean angaze ngombona agqoka iskipa uyamshita
afuna ukutshela into ongayazi Chris since kwaphuma le video ngikhuluma ngejele ne emva kokuthola ama threats and everything I used to think mangihlangana neziboshwa kuzoba wafa ne bra ngihlangane namaGrootman abhaya abuye eminyakeni yayizwa leyo nto lakutshela iGrootman uthi ndoda mina ngangena ngonyaka kanje ngatola ngonyaka kanje but yabo lento yenzayo online big ups mfethu I understand abanye they are regarded as ama hardcore criminals wherever la bahlala khona mangiqhamuka ngihlangana nabo but omunye not so long ago ngihlangana naye la eMall of Africa ngokwesinye isitoro lapho wathi azi nkomonde I used to think mangake kwenze ngikubone biyochitheka bugayiwe ngoba ukhuluma ngale yanto wawu expose kanje ebantwini yabo but mangilo ngilandelela icontent yakho after le video yasejele I was like nah there's no need ukulwisa lo muntu because lo muntu ukhuluma iqiniso I understand and ngitshela ngabantu abasave iminyaka mfethu
so these people men who are acting tough to this podcast 99 of them they
abafazi la
babe ngumakoti nje
icathalala zabanye abafana zasejele efuna ukugqoka imask kwi society sibukeke ngazathi zama hardcore criminals kanti aziwona
yeah
akona ama hardcore criminals bro and angeke uzwathole kulama podcast mafuna kutshela ivala
but that's a valid point
yeah mina nokuthi I feel like sometimes abanye bayela nje ukuthi they want to be seen as abanye they want to be seen as
siqhubeke sibasane
abanye bafuna paint they want to paint this image but they separate they are rehabilitated separate maybe behind the scenes basaqhubeka
vele not maybe bro mothi kutshele lento ne kunegebengu ne bese kuba notsotsi. Kumele sifunde ukuyidifferentiate lento. Kunotsotsi abaningi abayibiza ngezigebengu Chris. You understand? Isigebengu akusuka umuntu ozokuphuca ifoni la. Isigebengu akusuka umuntu ozokudlwengula la akubamba inkunzi akusisi isigebengu akusise leso utsotsi leyo muntu. You understand? Labantu abenza ama petty crimes abahlukumeza imphakathi then egcineni bese beyaboshwa. Thola ukuthi umuntu aye violent for no reason emgwaqeni lapha bese egcineni uyaboshwa. Then lo muntu sekumele simsabe. Sisaba udodi lapho. And ngizokutshela le genge engene ejele ngokuthi ibulele iyasatshwa kwasho kwacima. Phenduka kuba abafazi lapha ejele izinto. Ebra uyisiqhwaga ngakini. Yabo ngakini uyisiqhwaga but kule ndawo engisibana kuyona zikhona ezakhona bra. And angezizwe ngawe. So wena sengikhulumela nakulabo abahlali bethi bona bangena ejele baphuma bengalalwanga. Fine, mawuphuma ekhaya elinemali Chris.
Phela bonke abantu abalaphana baphuma ekhaya ngenabo most background phela manje ufuna ukuthini ngoba phela most abantu abakulama podcast ayekho ukuthi mina ekhaya sigrade usho ukuthi abantu bonke ndoda bathole.
But it's not about ukuthola. Mina ngiyayibona indaba eningi ku society it's about molestation yabo. Bafethu the bigger problem ukulimala kwengqondo. Yabona mfethu ngiyakubona ukulalwa bra. Yabona ukulimala uma wami ethanda ukuthi ukulimala kwengqondo ukulimala komzimba wonke. Ukufa kwengqondo ukufa komzimba wonke kahle kahle. Bro kunzima ukugqoka imask yento wazi kahle ukuthi awuyiyona. Ubalekela iqiniso. So angisho ukuthini but mawukuthi uphuma ekhaya eline support elinothando nolinemali akhona ama chances ukuthi mhlawumbe uphuma useyiv dot. But if uyiphumela ekhaya elifana nelami uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe mawusebenza Chris kusamele every month ubuyise uthumela imali ekhaya usuku uphuma ekhaya elihlupheka mawunjalo. You understand? Mawunjalo stay away from into uzokuboshwa and stuff. Dlalela kude lezo.
I have a question with regards to ijele as a whole. Like injani enijela because
I was going there and yeah.
Yafiwa.
Yeah, can you give us mended?
Well, as a prison warrior.
Dark energy. And then into
yalala
yonke lesikhuluma la imbono yami angirepresent inhlangano right.
Okay.
Sibeke le because egcineni kuyobe sekuthiwa yabo yonke into engikhuluma la ama personal views ami. Chris
zikhona ipoki like
mina
no they didn't talk about the management there.
Ngiyaxolisa ukisho lento ne. I think leyo abantu abangafuna ukuya deep kuleyo kakhulu labantu aba spiritual yabo. Ngishilo guys. Ngiyazi ukuthi umdali nomhlengi ngikhona kodwa ngisondi mina. Yabona lento so I won't lie ngithi ngimngaka nje empilweni angikaze ngasibona isipoki. The time ngisase army kuma deployment na whatever la ngangikhona angisazi isipoki yabo. Nala angisazi isipoki. Yabona lento le but from my experience into engayisho ijele man it's a dark place bro, it's a dodgy place, filthy. I understand ngolili njalo bro yabo. Kulolo ukuthi ungafa ngaphakathi bayafa abantu ngaphakathi nje ngikutshela kanjalo yabo because izinto esizibonayo lezi bayafa abantu ngaphakathi whether babulawa amanye ama inmates nje kungatholakala ukuthi yipi inmate yambulala yabo because into eyenzeke eselini silvalile isela siyibonthini and masivuka sivulisele kunomuntu ofile khona makuthiwa kuyabuzakala wonke umuntu ethi akazi uzosola siphi isiboshwe uyeke siphi. Khona abantu abafile nje ejele kwaje kwangaze ukuthi babulawa oba excuse me ngenqwaba yabo abanye bafisa kwezinja ndoda umuntu aguliso endo izifo abafethu abayithola emajele Chris yabo kulezi intwana ezincane ezikhulayo adulise crime bafethu nana nokuthi intwana ezincane nje mfethu wonke umuntu okuyo yonke age because sengabona mina mfethu ukuba mdala kuyinye age Chris age is just a number dog. Ngiyamthola umuntu ona 40 but ucabanga njengengane na 15. Yayibona le nto le. Thola into ena 18 ecabanga isoko umuntu ona 45. Yabona le nto. So wonke nje umuntu kuyo yonke age. Bra dlalela kude lento ezokufaka ejele. Dlalela kude lento ezokufaka ejele. Ungangangilalela manje. but mase zikukhalela uyongikhumbula. Chris yazibona ungakanani emzimbeni ngikutshela straight bengakuhlaba ejele.
Kodwa uNkulunkulu hey kodwa
qondile engaka umkhulu phela kunami emzimbeni but bengakunombola ngiyakutshela kahle nje inkinga ngabantu abake baboshwa wena mfethu angazi noma imnandi lento ukubona ngoba balobe befuna ukurecruit izingane ezingakaze ehlangabezane nalento bese nazo zilimala ingqondo njengabo kumele nazo futhi ziqamba amanga zithi hayi unkomondo unamanga kunje ejele shothi cycle kumele irepeateke le labafethu ejele bathola uma anal cancer ngayisho lento leya video ngathi mina first time ever ngiba exposed to umuntu one cancer let alone anal cancer ngangisesipanini and ngabona ukuthi akayedwa ababili abathathu baningi basafara from the same fate yabo and into cause anal cancer problem buzi LGBTQI+ community bayazi cause anal cancer abakhulumi ngayo and baloke bexisha izingane ezincane ukuthi azilwela amalungelo obutabani aba highlight ukuthi lapha ebutabaneni kune anal cancer ezanobutabani kune cancer yamathumbu ezanobutabani ya understand kune prostate cancer futhi akusena ne prostate lento yeah ezanani nobutabani ya understand lento le mina ngeke yabona umuntu obhocuka isikhumba kanje yayiza lento le ngayo lento le yabo so mina understand makulokuthiwa kunobuclever lapha Chris ukuthi uclever obulaphani ibuphi mfethu bese uzophuma ngaphandle uzozenza into ethafu uthafu kuphi because leya ndawo ilimaza umqondo bra awumove wenza ifocus lapha so ezinye izinto mfethu kulezi zinto nje idolize crime mina ngeke ngilo ngikhuluma kakhulu okuningi kulama social platforms sengikhulumile Chris umuntu maye engafuni ukuzwa uzoyifacify.
Is it true that when you have this thing what they call inombolo you would be protected and kuzwa ngawe when ukabathi I don't know what is it kana ubani lomkhulu ngeleke njani
lezo zinto ngiyazazi nje mfethu angifuna nokulongi ngingena kuzona Chris ngoba yabona izingane lezi ezisilalelana ezisibuka kula ma platforms yiyo leyo juice eba interestayo ya understand mina ngongeleke January 1 masimba man leyo nto leyo
and this thing what is a lie because this thing bro it's different theories and everyone will tell you kwakuno bani uPaul Mambazo bangena emayini wasuka lapha eNewis who was recording all that
exactly
who was interested to this guy because he was doing nonsense like who was interesting to record that information bro this is a lie
pure lie
who was recording this guy doing that ahamba ngetrain ambheka aphinda ahlala esitulweni la ngamashisa dog this is a bro yeah when they say this thing I love it it's very interesting because I love to listen stories so I'm like this is a clean lies yeah so this guy will sit in the chair and wait when the sun comes down he just sit in the chair and smoke weed and the sun comes down and now it's gonna go and ask who was recording this guy going to bro I listen to this podcast I don't want to lie I do tune into this podcast then I listen then they give you the background of inombolo and they all say different things no one ever it doesn't correspond someone will tell you ukuthi uPaul Mambazo waphuma eKZN mayiphuma efamini lomlungu wabulala lomlungu waphindwa abaleka lomlungu wasethe wendoda isiyophinda ibonane futhi hoshi
yabona yazi Chris into engihlale ngisho yazi into engihlale ngisho kazi lami
bro who was recording this guy doing this nonsense
into engihlale ngisho kazi lami le ngithi ukubani le interest esinayo kwinombolo ne na kwi crime na kuma gangsters and stuff ukubani le interest esinayo kulezo zinto the very same energy ukubani siyifaka kuma means of productions ekwazeni about ukuthi kwenzakalani ku spectrum semayini kwi country ya understand sibe ipart and parcel lezinto esi exportane esi importer kwi country bra ngabe siyisizwe esikude kabi manje lokho kubalekile akekho nesikhathi sakho ufuna ukwazi ngonongoloza ongeke akusize ngalutho kahle lonongoloza ukwazi ngaye
and ufind umuntu omdala efundisa lento ukuthi hayi thinga utshele bro ukuthi inombolo yaqala kanjani I'm like bro you understand now yeah so nongoloza wakuphona mambazo baxabana ngoba lo usenza ukuthi so wathi wash nangempela iqhamuka lapho uyabona amanga nje amaningi kahle lo
bafethu nanokuthini na Brian i-system it has a lot to do nalezi zinto ezenzakalayo if you look at it
how man
esikhathini esiningi increasing ngithanda ukuthi ama-chains slavery awasekho emzimbeni manje
true
mentally economically entweni eziprogressive ama-chains siboshiwe ukuthi sikwazi ukubreaka through kuona izinto ezi-entertainayo njengamanje yabo izinto ezingasile maqhamuka umuntu mhlawumbe onekhanda elitshekile lapha ku TikTok edansa ngendlela ethile uyothandwa izwe lonke sesifocus kuyena understand le maqhamuka mhlawumbe usisi wami mhlawumbe kunosisi abaningi engibafollowayo la ku TikTok nobhuti abaningi engibafollowayo abane content enesense ndoda labo bantu mawuthi uya-check ama reactions entweni zabo nama followers bra
kancane
akunalutho lapha yabo le nto le sisizwe la ngathini inhlupheko isenze saba isizwe bra esijabuliswa imibhedo bese si ignore izinto kuyizona ezingabenefit ama future generations angazi noma ngiyayenza isense
no man that's true
yeah izinto yabona njengamanje ne as much as i-content yami kuyi-content abantu abaningi ethi yabakhi abavusa ne mangingabonakala ne-sex tape manje ngaduma izwe lonke
that the content will come later
i-content will come later understand mangathiwa nje manje ngibonakala mhlawumbe ngikwi-sex tape gayi leyo sex tape ingaduma ngakhohlakala nezinto engizenzayo on the ground naku TikTok I understand wonke umuntu engangikhumbula ngokuthi he's that guy that's how ignorant we are as a nation izinto life changing we don't care much ngazo abantu abakhuluma ngalezo zinto sibabona as abantu abahlanyayo abantu abafuna ifame kanti umuntu ngabe uyavuma ukuthi angikho well informed lezi zinto ezikhulunywa lo muntu angizazi yabo asifuni ukwazi sijethi sazi konke kanti asazi lutho bro yonke lento ukuthi abantu abamnyama beglorify inombolo yokugcwala abantu abamnyama emajele phela abelungu mfethu ngisebenza ejele abelungu abekho ejele
what you mean bro
abelungu abekho that much ejele out of the population mhlawumbe abantu abawu 5000 abelungu ngabathola bengadluli no20 bese mhlawumbe nginama offender of 5000
abelungu abagangi ngani
ngaleso sikhathi kunama maniacs ngale kunabantu abama serial killers ama serial rapists abantu abama junk abantu abayo yonke leyo nto mangithi system yonke lento idlalile mfethu idlalile lento because bro ambuka lento ne whether I media noma yini abantu abamhlophe ayivezwe inhlalisano noma inhlalo yabo Chris I understand
what you mean
Chris mina ngoba nje ngikuma law enforcement kanje ngaza amaskole akhe amaningi ngapi mina abantu abamhlophe abahluphekayo I understand abaphila impilo mfethu way worse than lento oyicabangayo I understand but labo bantu abavezwa kwi-media abavezwa kuma tabloids ku protectwa i-image yomuntu omhlophe akungenwe emzini yawo namakhamera bethola bebebhebhana nabanye abantu I understand abahlambalazo to that extent bona I understand lento mawungenza leyo nto ngabelungu they will come after you bro I'm telling you umosha i-image yabo umosha i-reputation yabo ukuthi uthole namubuka la maningi amahobo ndoda amangamla awuwaboni kodwa la kuma images akwi-media propaganda bro into emhlophe kumele ihlezi i-pure than into emnyama wena umnyama kanjengami kanje Chris one mistake bayoyiveza ukuthi Chris lo Chris network nangu simthole eSummit kwasho kwacela ya understand yabo njengoba upopular kanje Chris akusafana ngale nkathi ungakaliphi nami yona into engikhenyayo
yes kind I'm like oh bro I can't like no I can be myself but there's things that I love to do bro
but
that now I can't
my popularity
because everyone will look at me like oh ngiyambona manje sekanzani I love to chill with girls even if we're not doing anything but to socialize and but people will say hey uyambotha namantombazana
yabo sekumele udlale a certain image because
that I don't like
yayibona lento
so that's crazy one day ngibengangitshela uGanda ngathatha itext ngeza ngetext mangeza ngetext everyone was talking about YouTube in the text and asking God how much are we getting paid bro I was like I have a right to write a text and ngibe ku text nami ngifike la ngifuna khona but bro even when I came here I said God I'm not using text anymore bro and vele ngangiyuse nge mistake but I was like bro I must not feel the pressure yokuthi ngakhona ukugibela itext I have to take itext mangifuna anytime mangifuna
imagine bro ngokuba popular ngokuthi bakubuka escreenini awusekho worth of ukugibela itext come on man come on bro but yazi enye into mfethu eksamele sikhulume ngayo Chris ngelinye ilanga
yeah
sabantu abamnyama nje yami sisafara from I poor man's mentality yeah understand I programming yonke into sikholelwa yonke into esiyibonayo asinaso isikhathi sokuthi singenelele siyozenzela lwethu ucwaningo sibe neshow ngento eyenzakalayo yeah understand bro ngoba ngikutshela nje ngiqala ukusipana ngiyintwana ne lento eyisho yokubonakala eTexini bebengimangalela abantu mfethu ngaleso sikhathi umuntu unehusband enentshebe emhlophe engakazi benemoto yayizwa leyo nto mina ngaleso sikhathi ngiyintwana na 18 19 back then I understand how sihla ngithenga ngani imoto lapha indoda iziyoguga ayikazi ibe nane bicycle Chris
yeah and I mean I do like I just don't like to drive even Ganda knows like I don't like to drive
yeah bakhona abantu abanjalo
it's not my thing like even mang driver I have to uthi ngiforced into out let me out in drive but I don't that's not my thing so yo bro this is crazy man so you saying inombolo doesn't protect you
I wouldn't know masesilivalile iseli sebephila bodwa ngaphakathi but ngokwazi kwami baningi abantu abahlupheka bekulezo inombolo abasejele man baningi ngabe mathiwa nje amajita ayeke ukuthatha izinto ngenhliziyo yakhuluma iqiniso baningi olova abanawo lawo marank khona lapha ejele ngaphakathi abahlupheka kunjalo abajike futhi belalwa abanye abantu benazo lezo inombolo kunjalo ivarle ngikhuluma they know it bengayiphika phela ngoba umuntu bathi icala umphiko yabo
yeah cause man you're right cause they saying ukuthi uma uthatha inombolo there's something that you have to do first it's a sacrifice right so is sex a part of it
hey uzofuna ungikhulumisa into
I'm just asking
but engingakusho ukuthi kunama side kule nombolo zabo abanye baclaim ukuthi ababalala abafana abanye baclaim ukuthi bayabalala abafana yabo leyo nto leyo so but what I know ukuthi nalabo abathi ababalala abafana somehow bayabalala abafana ejele you know and enye into engifuna ukuyicacisa futhi ihomosexuality brawam ungadidiseki iphuma emajele njengoba yande kanje namhlanje njengoba namhlanje siba wrong masikhuluma against homosexuality breed wejele bra lezi ntwana ezincane lezi eloku eboshwa zihlala lapha kuma trial lihlala lapha edoxini zi overpower la mahrutman rape ecourt isimthondo enza zonke lezi zinto lezi ntwana lezi end up zizenza lezi zinto zizenza lezi zinto bra I'm telling you and umuzo ngakeze intombazana ichoma ithi mina umuntu wami unogwayi onama peanuts bathi into
bayifana macharapin
into le isho
amacharatia
isho lezi zinto manje ubuhlali ama beads
but amachara yini
I understand that umuntu mina indoda yami ama beads washo kwacima lawo ma beads uhlalwazi uthi akaqala bhukudoda akini before ezoza kuwe umuntu wesifazane ivar
because wayafakelana
ejele wafakelana ama beats isentencing yakho because akekho umuntu ozowafaka manje ama beats ephuma next week ayikho leyo nto uwafake sengaphakathi ejele wa test ukuthi ayasebenza yini khona ngaphakathi ejele so uzoje umuntu wesifazane ezochoma ekhoma ngamasimba ndoda yaxoyisa ukisho lento but uchoma ngododi ndoda yabo indoda enama beats uhlalwa utsaqala bhukudoda kini njengoba uchomela abantu ngayo ivar
yo
ivar and zonke lezi zinto ama acts obtabani izinto eziqalwa lapha ejele lezo ayikho indoda ephila kahle mina nje in my right mind angihambe ngiyosikana nogwayi wami ngifaka ubuhlalo for in Shutwa edla bapha abantu edla labantu abasebejwayela ukapha imbobi sivulekile vele udinga nobuhlalo ukuze umnwaye kahle uthini
what time can is it okay no I want us to do part 2 follow up like can you give us like briefly the lifestyle yasejele so from the morning this is what's happening and when I as a warden this is what I do.
Okay, a normal day for me in Spain, 7.
No, on part 2. I wanna.
Ufuna ukuthi siphinde senze part 2.
Yeah.
Today or next time.
Next time. Right. But I want us to take us through when as a warden, when you wake up in the morning,
what's happening and stuff.
What's happening and what kind of people that you come across,
okay.
Sad stories that you ever come across, okay. And this is your job that you do. And this is the routine inside the prison that you do. And there are things that they are doing, Richard, because some they say they are studying, some they music and nokuthakatha ejele.
Yabona ngizokutshela sisasekulelo ne. Prama offenders are talented, bra. Make no mistake. Yes, Chris. Ngizwile ngitheni ngi-coordinator sports and recreation eSpanini. So anything that has to do with the sports and everything idlula kumina. Yabo leyo nto le izinto edinga ukuthi bayifake ejele mhlawumbe ama TV mhlawumbe kungaba yini ezinye kulabo abafunda mhlawumbe ama laptops and stuff you know. Lezo zinto zingena through mina. Yabo leyo nto le. So bra I can tell you this. Ama offenders most yawo is talented lezi ngane Chris. Kungizisa inhliziyo ebhlungu mfethu abanye babo mabebolela lapha emajele yazi ukuthi kumanje lama podcast la engithi angwazwisisi kahle iinfluencer nayo njengamanje ezinye iziboshwa kumele ngabe zinikezwe ama parole but ngenxa yalama podcast obvious i-social media le kwanayo lento esenza lawe Chris la isazo contribute kwezinye indawo. It might be good or bad kwesinye isikhathi asazi.
How can it be? It contributes.
I'm telling you, bro. Phela kunama victims ndoda. Mawuzothola iparole kumele ubone ama victims lawo wawona. So ama victims mayiloko ezwe indaba zokuthi nina niphila kamnandi lapha ejele. Ucabanga ukuthi bazophuma bazokutshela beqhubeka ukuhlale lapha. Yayibona nto kunabafethu abaningi manje ababhayiziseka kuma parole. Ngenxa lama podcast. Ngenxa le narrative esethwayela ama podcast. Some of my offenders angeke azabathola ama parole because of that. So lento bra lezi zinto sizenza online Chris.
I didn't know it's that deep.
Bra let me tell you whatever yenza la now like podcast yakho bra by the way it's big.
Yeah,
when one thing ngizongitshela yona ma chance nina ngoba inini niyenzayo. Akaka click kahle ukuthi this thing it's big. I understand. Let me tell you, bro. Podcasting, it's one of it's coming ngendlela grand.
Yeah.
I would say nationally for me top 10 in corner. Nationwide.
I got kind on cam, man.
Like I'm honest about Lendo Pram. We top 10, we country as a whole Nikon.
Yeah.
Abantu banbuga. I've been watching your thing, bro. Maybe for the past year and a half now. You know. So I'm telling you, like numbers zakho zizakahle. And whatever yenzela no ikhuluma la. Yenza it different go someone obukayo lapha ekhaya. Ungayithatha kancane wena.
Yeah.
Yabona into le inkulu into yenzayo. Uyabo leyo nto le. Namanje ngoba ulethe mina la baningi abantu abangalapheka ngento engiyikhulumile la.
And Bryce, because everyone is talking about the good side of crime. People don't talk about the bad side of it, and we hear more the great side of prison. Which in prison it seems like you become creative when you're in prison because people will tell you how they escape. I'm like, this is nice. You see, you become creative. You think so. I was like, hey man, I have to get another side because our brothers and sisters, they end up taking these things lightly and they go to prison. And when you get there, we don't talk about when you come back your fingerprint, you will never get a job easy. And after that, your mental.
I just thought of something. I think you're the first prison warder. For some reason, correct me if I'm wrong. I think you're the only one. Why very into kusaba ukukhuluma or maybe unomthetho obekiwe?
I don't think I'm the only warder ekhulumayo yabo. Akhona ama colleagues amanye who are trying to pass the message nabo ndlela yabo ngoma content abo.
Because the aim of this prize is like people must stop crime.
Bakhona ama colleagues who are pushing that narrative nabo, but kuukuthi aba blow up hanga njengami online. I understand that. Like some of my close friends engisebenza nabo, they are doing whatever nabo ndengiyenza, but by push ndlela yabo. It's just that abavelanga njengami.
Okay.
You know, but angeke ngithathe i-crown and say I'm the only one. Nah. But in terms of mhlawumbe ukuvela ngibe semahlweni abantu, I would say yes, I'm the first. But hoping ukuthi angisiyi last futhi yabo.
If you want part 2, just say part 2 because the aim of this episode, man, is to educate our sisters and brothers about the crime and about to tell them if you do crime, where are you going? We have to give you the picture of where you're going. Even if you're young, you're at home right now, you're with your parent, you're watching this, you have to know where you're going, what is going on in prison. It's better to sustain, man, than to end up getting yourself to something else. So just abstain, don't do it. It's not cool. If you have a girlfriend and saying, Chris, I don't want to do sex with you, don't. Abstain. If you have a friend that says, hey, this do crime is once off, just don't. You never know your day. You can go and do it once. There are people that are inside, they were like, hey, let me try it. I just do it once. It's going to be once off. And now they are doing maybe 20 years in prison. So you'll never know your day. Just stay home and respect your parent and respect the community. Bro, you're not better than other people. You're just a human. You need to be humble and respect other people. And if you can do that, man, we're going to live in a better community. And please, let's make this community safe. Kopayile nam Chris Kunene ngakunene ngakamadonsela ngumtimande ngopambolonyi abambili zezanonene kakhonina kamtambo. This is my brother. He's going to come back for part 2. But if you want part 2, we just say part 2. But I promise he's going to come back. We want to give you the picture of what is going on in prison. And it's going to tell you about his normal day in prison when he's working there. So thank you so much, my brother. I really appreciate your visit, man.
Sharp.
Kanda we out or what?
Sharp.